2019 Mazda CX5. And clip here, clip here. Have to remove this guy over here. Where's my oils? Made by Denso. It doesn't matter which way it goes. Air filter housing. Have to remove this hose. You're gonna tilt it like this and push it down. Then with this arm, press it down. With the other hand, clip it. Press it here, know what I'm saying? Because it's gonna be a little bit difficult. Then put the hose back. And that's it for this. Let's do the cabin air filter now. You could also spray some WD-40 here in the hose, just to make it easier to slide it out. All right, glove compartment. Open it. This guy, just push it out, just like that. This guy, push it in until you clear that pin. The same over here. There you go. Move it in. There's our guy. Guess which one is? Huh? What did he say? So it's this guy. Just push it up, pull it. Yep, it's about time. I got this new one. If you need the part number, there you go. Made by Pro Tune. That's the part number. 5005479948. All right. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. Until you hear the click, push it in until you hear the click, and that's it. Now you wanna mount this. See these guys? They gotta buy this. They gotta go like this, okay? On both sides. Like so. Okay, push it up. Engage the plastic there. Just pull it, push it in. That's it. Now these guys, just push it in, and that's it. Voila. That's how you replace a cabin filter in this 2019 Mazda CX5. Holla at your boy. Thank you for watching.